Another long night of crime and violence.
Some say it's only a matter of time before the city implodes.
I think we're finished here. I have a knack for this particular kind of mythology. Action films that also have heart, like Demolition Man, Cliffhanger, and Rocky. So Samaritan's very interesting because this hero says, I've had enough of trying to save society. I can't even save myself. Then this young kid comes along.
I found him.
He said, there's something about this old man here. It's not ringing true.
This kid is looking for Samaritan because they need help in the city.
When people give up on a city, the badness comes in. And so the bad is taking over Granite City. And I go back and do my hero stuff.
Why did you disappear?
Working with Sly was a lot of fun. It's an action star, Rocky himself.
There's many, many layers to this story. It's a hero movie that's a little more grounded in reality. That's very, very exciting to watch.
Hey, old man! Try this. Come on!